If you're having a problem with your Samsung Bespoke Vented all-in-one laundry combo unit, you may want to go ahead and perform the Vent Blockage Test. To do that, you're going to swipe up from the bottom. You're going to click in the bottom left-hand corner, the little symbol here. Then you're going to go to Washer, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to Vent Blockage Test and let that run. All the system's going to do now is go through and see if it thinks that there's a vent block happening. That could be caused from like lint or little critters that have crawled through, just all kinds of different reasons. So it's also good to do this for safety reasons periodically throughout the year to see if you have a block in your vent. You don't want to run your dryer while there could be a potential block, because that could potentially be a fire hazard, and we don't want that. If your clothes aren't coming out dry, go ahead and run this vent blockage test, because that could also be an indicator that the clothes aren't getting dry and there could be a potential block in the vent, therefore causing less humidity to escape during the drying process. Overall, it took about 5 minutes for this test to run. It's just got to get all the data that it needs in order to make a determination on if there's a block or not. If you do actually have a block, it may be fast or it may take a lot of time. So anyway, let me know your results down in the comment section below, because I'd be really curious to see if you actually do have a block, what shows up on the screen. So let me know down in the comment section below.